Huh? What's wrong, sweetheart? Did you get your head put in a box? Aww. Aww. It's okay, baby. You're fine. You're not getting hurt. This looks so funny. Looks like a walking mailbox.
What you doing, Prona? Where's my big boy? Where's my big boy? Huh? Where's my big boy?
He's grown now. Where's my baby? Oh, come. Where are you going? Aww. He's like, I'm gonna bite ya.
So he can't come out there.
Hi, Grono. You hurt Mommy. It's okay, sweetheart. Yes, I love you. I love you.
He's not happy because his tail's down his wagon.
Oh, it's okay, baby. You want a Snicky? Or you want a treat? Here we go. You want a treat? Come on. Let's go get a treat. Gotta go potty? Or not?
That's really odd.
No wonder you can't get it off. Oh. Gotta go potty? No? I'm sure he would if he wasn't in a box. What? Gotta go potty? What?
What are you doing, big boy? Huh?
Are you okay?
What are you doing?
We need to poke holes in here so you can breathe. Here, let me. There we go. Oh, it's hot. Oh, I found his nose. There's my baby. Go get Richard. Go get Richard. Come that way. Go get Richard.
Look at his toe.
Oh.
Where's my baby? Hey. Where's my big boy? Hi, big boy. Hi. Hi, my baby. Hi.
Oh.
Where you going?
At least you can see where he's going now.
Here. Chrono. Chrono. Over here, honey. Chrono. Where's my big boy? Hi. Oh, you see his eye? So sad looking.
Oh, hi, baby. Where's your other eye? There it is.
More now.
Oh, hi,
Your
baby.
face in the camera.
Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Come here. Come here. I'll take it off. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Yeah.